Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you the easiest method to downgrade from iOS 26 to the latest version of iOS 18 on all of your compatible devices, be it an iPhone or iPad. So if you are using a Windows PC, you can simply get iTunes from the official Apple's website. You can simply scroll down. You can also get it from the Microsoft Store. It will work, or you can get it directly from the link for Windows. Before you downgrade or restore, make sure that you also turn off Find My iPhone by going to your account settings, iCloud, and turn it off from here. Now simply open iTunes, connect your device, and make sure everything works. Now at this point, we will have to get the iPSW for the latest version of iOS 18. Now simply hit the model number until you see the model identifier. So for me, it is iPhone 13,2. Now simply get to iPSW.me to get the iPSW. Simply select your device from here. I will choose iPhone and I am using iPhone 12. I will select it. Now if you get to the device information, you can see that the identifier matches my device, iPhone 13,2. So it is the correct iPSW. Also, if you are still confused, you can hit identify my device. Simply put the model number of your device from general, about, or from the back of your device, and then hit identify my device. Now from here, get to the iPSW tab and get the latest signed iPSW for the latest iOS 18 version. Get this file to your computer first. Now again open iTunes and then press and hold the shift key on Windows. If you are using Mac, press and hold the options key and then left click restore iPhone or iPad. Then simply point towards the iPSW you just got for your device. Hit on open and then hit the restore button and wait for the process to finish. Alright, at this point the restore has completed. We will wait for the device to reconnect. Now at this point your device will automatically be activated via iTunes and you will see this screen. Now if you took a backup while you were on iOS 18, you can simply restore it from here. Simply select the backup, or if you want to set up your device as new, you can simply hit this radio button. Now I want to restore the backup, so I will select it and then hit continue and wait for the process to finish. Or you can also restore the backup when you enter iTunes. Simply hit the restore backup button, then hit restore. For some reason, the Windows Defender might interfere, so I recommend turning it off temporarily. After the restore process is finished, you can turn it on safely. Finally, you can see we are back to the latest iOS 18 version. Device properly activated, data restored, and everything working properly. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.